video, and we're back with the little small tumblers that I have to make for someone. And we're gonna make this real quick, and I got you here with me. So here I have some shrink wrap because I'm gonna make it in the air fryer. So first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut these in half. So I cut them in half so that way it'll fit the bottles. And we're gonna go ahead and I already took the designs out. These are the little Carebears. So I'm trying to make this video short, quick, and sweet. Short, quick, and sweet. So I don't need much tape. I'm just gonna set that there. And I'm gonna set that right there. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna place it on there. And I'm gonna make sure I place it the correct way. And nice and straight. Because you can see your design. You can see your design through the hold on, we don't need a lot of tape. I just need enough tape. I'm just trying to make sure it's nice and straight. It's not like the beard not crooked or none of that type of stuff like that. So I'm gonna place a piece on that side. And I'm gonna place a piece on that side. Right. So then we have the bottom. I gotta make sure that is straight. Because the way the bottom was, I had to cut it. Because it went straight across. So what I did was I just cut it. Yeah, guys. This is showing it because remember it's going to go in the shrink wrap. And we're just going to do all of them the same way. This is the next one. And this is the words. And we're going to do it the same way. I'm just cutting away all the excess paper because we really don't need that. I'm just going to go ahead and just cut this tape down to size so I can just keep going. I don't got to keep stopping because I really don't need much of the tape, just enough to hold it because like I said, we all putting it in the shrink wrap. So you know when it goes in the shrink wrap, you really don't need much. So this is the design once again. We're going to place it on here. Boom. That part is done, right? So now we're going to put the word in right up under it. And y'all have to forgive me if I'm not directly in front of the camera. That's because I'm trying to make sure that I get it and it's not crooked. It's not whatever. So y'all gotta forgive me. Boom. That's 2, right? We on a roll, guys. We on a roll. This is the next one. So when I was telling you this one was like this, but what I did was, because I wanted the words that was on it, so I cut around it, took my time and cut the words around it so I could use this part on the bottom. But with this one, I need this like that, and I went ahead and I duplicate and made another copy of one that I already had for a different one, and I'm going to use that on that one. So boom. Once again, I gotta make sure I'm not pinning on upside down, because y'all know that your girl good for speeding, which that's what I always tell y'all. Take your time when you're doing these type of things. Take your time. It's no speed rush, none of that. Just take your time. So I just needed to break out a little bit more tape. Boom. So I'm just making sure that I put it the correct way. It's not upside down. And then I'm just placing it. I just need y'all here with me company while I make this, guys. Y'all know I love your company. Y'all know I love your company. Y'all let me know. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what y'all think of these. Let me know, have you made these before? Y'all know this is like my third time. About my third time. The fourth time making. So this is the pink one. And this is this one. And like I said, I'm just going to cut away some of this extra paper that we don't need. I'm just cutting away the paper that we don't need. Boom. Okay. So this is the next one. Once again, I gotta make sure I put it straight in the correct way. We're not pinning it upside down. We're not pinning it sideways. We're pinning it straight. Boom. So there we go. So now the wording. Here you go. Now I gotta make sure I put it directly under it and it's nice and straight. It's not crooked. It's not sideways. It's hard to tell on this one, but we got this, guys. We got this. Boom. So there we have it. So now, what I'm going to do, you see, I already cut the shrink wrap. If I could find the opening to the damn bag, that would be a good look, wouldn't it? Okay, so there we have it. We're going to place it in the shrink wrap, like so. Or I can do it like this too. Now, we're going to do it the correct way. Get your heat gun. Boom. You see that? Boom. So now you see it. We have the shrink wrap, right? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do the next few. We're gonna do it the same way. You see what happened, right? It came down, it pulled down. But I'm not about to go get another string wrap. We just gonna let it rock and hopefully and pray for the best that it be okay. Which it should be. Cause it is what it is. It is what, if I have to redo a whole nother one, then I will. Because at this moment, your girl about to chance it. Because I really wasn't going to do string wrap at all. Because I couldn't find, I have a whole case of the string wrap. And I couldn't find where I put it at. So I actually took these from out of a tumbler. So I'm holding it from the top, so that way. And then I'm going to blow it from the bottom up to the top. From the bottom up to the top. Boom. Real easy, real simple. Nothing hard to do. But like I said, guys, let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know. Like I said, have you done this before? You never done it before? Are you into this type of things? And I appreciate all the support. And especially, I need to do something special for my channel members. I haven't did nothing special in a while, and I think I'm going to do that probably for the holiday coming up. Remember, I'm gonna go down and then up. Probably for the holiday coming up, I'm gonna do something for all my I did it again. I did it again running my mouth. That's why I always tell you, when you're doing this type of stuff, pay attention. Don't rush. Don't do none of that type of stuff. Because when you do, guess what? You always fuck up. Yeah, I said the F word. You always F up. So, we're about to put it in the air fryer. And I think we're going to let it heat up for a few minutes. I'm gonna let it cook, let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. But so you see, I messed up. But the good thing is basically covering the design, almost all of it. So send me that, because that's the whole purpose of the shrink wrap. When you put it on the tumblers, you covering it. It seals in. You don't have to worry about it. Keeps it. It really does keep and prevent you from getting ghosting and stuff like that, because it tightens up around your cup, your mug, whatever you're making. It tightens up around it so it doesn't let any air, anything in it. Because you know when you wrap your tumblers or mugs, when you wrap it, and that's the purpose why you have to wrap it and pull it so tight to tape it to make sure no air and stuff is in it. So when you put the shrink wrap in the shrink wrap, it pulls all the air out, so you don't have to worry about the air. So that's why I'm really not worried about it. But hey, it is what it is. So I just wanted to get a little, a little thing. So now we're gonna put these in here. 3, 4, and we're gonna time it. It's 8:18. We're gonna give it a few minutes, like 6 to 7 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So as you see, I got a bowl of water. You really don't need it. You could just let it cool off. But I'm going to take it. They should be done. I'm gonna put it in there. You can hear it sizzling. I'm good. All right. Let it cool off, because it's still cooking. It's still cooking. Okay. Yeah, it's still cooking. You can feel it. I'm gonna unpack. Guys, I had almost forgot about you guys. So I started taking it off. I had almost forgot about you guys. Ain't that crazy? Oh man, the way I had it at the top. Yeah, I ain't too happy with that one. But let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this one. So let's do the next one. This was the one that I was worried about, guys. So let's see how this one turned out. Oh wow, this one came. The one I was least worried about is the one I love the best. Wow. So I'm going to clean up all of this and then we'll be back and I'll show y'all the end result of everything. Let me clean up the mess, come back and show y'all the cups. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let me clean up. All right, so here you have it. The lovely, lovely, lovely